Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some dresses, maxi, kurti, which I got recently from Myntra. Mostly I buy my clothes and makeup through online because one, it's safe, two, it's easy. So I love buying clothes and I think I have a good taste in selecting. Sometimes I thought of making this video a little short because this is like my first ever haul video. So if you guys like it, please do like the thumbs up button. Then I will know that you guys are liking these kind of videos and I will keep making these kind of videos for you guys. So please like it. Also please don't forget to click the subscribe button just underneath this video. That would really mean a lot to me as well as you. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first dress I got from Myntra is this one, which I'm wearing today. I just love black. I feel like it enhances your personality more than any other color. I just love my black outfits. Also, it makes you look slimmer. Yeah. This dress is from the brand called Andia. This is how the dress looks. It's like a very chic and casual, and the material is like so amazing. The material is like so soft and I don't even feel like I'm wearing something. It's that soft, and it's like a soft chiffon georgette kind of material. Yeah, I just love the material and I love the frill and the pattern they have given near the neck. I just love the detail of this, and it has a nice elastic near the waist, so you don't have to worry about the fitting. It fits like a glove. And the second dress I got is from Just Wow brand. This is like nice black lace top with a beige or sandal or cream lining inside. It's a green net underneath. It's a full long below the ankle length gown. I'm just loving this, and the material is very good as well. The lining is also very soft. They have given long lace sleeve that doesn't have any lining, that makes it very pretty. Yeah, one more thing, if you're planning to buy this one, go a size bigger. Usually my size in dresses are medium. One I got is from the brand called Oxalozo. I got it in the size medium. I just love this print of this top. It's like a animal print. Neck, it's little deep, not too deep, but it's a little bit deep for my liking. I'm just loving the material of this. It has got like a georgette material again, and it has got 3/4 sleeves. It has got like a slight frill at the bottom, and I love the print. It's like a very casual everyday kind of outfit. And the next top is like my favorite one. It's a full black lace top. It's a full length top. I love to pair it with my jean and with my plazos. You can wear it with your printed leggings, and it has got front buttons. It has got like a full length sleeve that does not have any lining, and the upper body has lining and the lower part does not have lining. You can pair it with like a nice statement jewelry and make it more stylish. And the last one but not the least one, kurti top and pant set. It comes in a set, a top and a printed top and a plain pant. I got it in the size medium again. I just love this print. I got this one for its color. I don't have much of pink outfits in my collection, so I got this one for the color and also especially for that print. I'm just loving this print. It has got 3/4 sleeves, and the material is cotton, and the material is like really good and nice, and it has got like a small mirror work in between the prints. Just love the detail of this, the neck detail with the rope, and it looks so beautiful. And the pant is like perfect. You can sit with this. Has got elastic at the back and knot at the front. And then I got this belt from the brand called Diva. It's a black embellished. It's a black embellished belt. It's a black embellished belt. Blah blah blah. It's a tongue twister. It's a black embellished belt. Yeah, it's a black embellished belt. I just love to pair this with any maxis or any long top. You can change the look of any outfit using this belt. It looks so pretty and changes the whole look in few seconds. And that's my video for today. So if you all like it, please like it and let me know that you guys like these kind of videos. Also subscribe, don't forget. Bye.